Hello and welcome to FemMNY. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. And to all our awesome subscribers, thank you guys for coming back and thank you for joining me. For today's video, I will be making this beautiful flower. It's 7 petals and we will turn this into a flower bouquet. With that said, we will inflate this, so make sure you stretch this first. And we'll pump our 260Q balloon. Like about that much. Tie the end. Just like this. So you're leaving like about 2/5 on the tip of your 260Q balloon. Just like that. Alright, so we'll put the camera up close. Alright, so this is gonna be like this. So first, as I said, 2/5, okay? So now you squeeze this, make sure it's nice and soft. And after you do that, you fold this about 2, pinch and then twist, about 2 fingers. Once you do that, just stick it in here. Squeeze. Pinch and twist so you have the same size. So now you have 2. Pinch it again, fold, then pinch and twist. Okay. Now you have 3. Every time you make a twist, you have to make this nice and soft. Pinch and then twist. So now you have 4. Pinch. Pinch and twist. Now you have 5. Pinch, pinch and twist. Now you have 6. We'll make this into 7 petals. Same thing, you will pinch and then twist. Now you have your 7 petals. Arranged it in place, just like that. Okay, now going to the back, I will cut the tip. So all you need to do is wrap this around here. There you go, there's your flower with 7 petals. Now you will make 2 of this. So I already pre-made the other one, as you can see. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do, we will inflate our silver 260Q balloon. You stretch this, as I said. You will inflate this. So all the way to the tip, leaving just a little to the tip. So what I do is just make a knot at the end as well. This is optional, but me, I like to tie both ends like that. Okay, so now we will squeeze, make a fold, and then pinch, and then twist again. Let's do it twice. You're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Pinch and twist. So you get both ends like this. So what you're gonna do, you will squeeze this, put it in between, just like that. You'll do the same thing on the opposite side, the other flower. So now you have your flower. And there you go, guys. So they're now connected. Ain't that beautiful? So you'll fold this one right here. You'll make a bunch of this, just like that. And I already pre-made some of this right here. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you fold this in half, and then I use our 260Q folding right here. What you do is just wrap it like that, and then put them all together. Like this, and then arrange them all in place. So what I usually do is like use your 260Q strap. Them all in here. Just like that, guys. So just arrange them in place so it's nice and rounded. Alright, so we'll put this on the side for now. Like that, so this is just here for temporary. So we'll need our 260Q, well, this color and silver. So the same thing, you will stretch this. And inflate. So just enough to put this around. So as you can see, it's this way, but as I said, just enough to wrap this on the bouquet. So I'll make them all the same length like this. Alright, so now we're ready to put this on here. So as I said, we will wrap this on our bouquet. So make it nice and tight. Like that, you pinch and twist. The last one. There you go, guys. It's right there. So what we're gonna do is we'll cut this off. So now just like that, we got all 5 in here. So we will get rid of the 260Q, the temporary one earlier. Get rid of this. So now we'll cut the extra. So I'll just like tie them all up like this, or connect them. This is optional, but me, I just like to connect them all. Alright, so I connect them all. So now we will add this flower right here. So if you want to know how to make this one, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this one step by step. If you want to check the video out, if you're new to this channel, please check that out. It will help you how to make this. Alright guys, so now we will attach it here, and this flower will cover those 260Q, the ends of your 260Q. It's like that, guys. You will just attach this and right on the center using this 260Q balloon. And there goes your bouquet. Ain't that beautiful, guys? And now we will just add our butterfly for our final touch. You can put it on here, put like glue dot. Alright guys, this is it. As you can see, we added the balloon at the background. We added some helium balloon, and there you go. I hope you guys like this. If you want to know how we made this, how we personalized that, we have the Camino 4 machine. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is FemMNY. We'll see you guys in our next video. Have a wonderful day.